welcome back to the Mancave workshop and thank you for joining me. Okay, update on the Mancave or garage. As you can see, starting to build the roof at the back, gutters on there and soffits. Will be the side door entrance, and as we move along the pathway, you see we've got a new driveway because that was damaged in the fire as well. Okay, so looking from the front, still got the front part of the roof to build. The render on the house has been sort of mottled textured to blend in with the rest. Still needs painting yet, but so far we're moving on. Okay, catch you in the next one. Take it easy.